Today on Meats by Mary, we're making a cozy creamy pumpkin soup, and the best part is it comes together in just 30 minutes. So let's jump right in and get started. I'm beginning with a little prep work here. All we need is 1 medium onion, 1 clove of garlic, and about 1.5 pounds of pumpkin, which is roughly 650 grams. I've already peeled and cleaned the pumpkin, so I'm just cutting it into chunks to help it cook faster. Now the onion gets a quick slice. And the garlic just needs a simple chop, nothing fancy here. Everything will blend later on beautifully. Just like that, the prep work is done. Now we grab a pot, set it over medium heat, and add about a teaspoon of butter. Once it melts, toss in the chopped garlic, and when it becomes fragrant, you will smell it right away. Add the sliced onion. I believe nothing is as good as this pumpkin soup in that weather. Let them cook together for a minute or two. Don't let them brown, we're just gently sautéing them to bring out their flavor. I mentioned in my previous video that we'll be making a lot of soups this season. So if you're a fan of warm, cozy bowls like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you here for all my upcoming recipes. Now I did add the pumpkin chunks, give everything a good mix so the pumpkin is coated in all that buttery, garlicky goodness. Now add your spices. It will be simple: 1 teaspoon of veggie seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix the spices with everything else. Now pour in 2.5 cups of water. You can also use veggie stock or chicken stock here if you want a deeper flavor. Both work beautifully, but since I added the veggie seasoning, I'm not going to add anything else. Cover the pot and let it come to a boil. Once the soup comes to a boil after 10 to 15 minutes, uncover the pot and make sure your pumpkin is tender by squeezing with a fork. Now I'll get my thickener ready. I'm mixing about half a cup of cold water, around 150 ml, with 1 teaspoon of starch. The water has to be cold so the starch dissolves properly. Warm water will make it clump and you will end up with a lumpy soup, which we definitely do not want. Grab a hand blender and blend the soup until it turns creamy and you don't see any pumpkin pieces left. Take your time with it. This is what gives this soup a silky texture. To make it creamier, I'm adding half a cup of cooking cream. Just make sure you don't add it before blending. It can split. So I will just mix it using a spatula. Now give it a taste test. This is the perfect moment to adjust everything to your liking. I'm adding a little twist to mine and tossing in about half a cup of spinach. You can totally skip this step, but trust me, it adds such a nice flavor and color. I'm using frozen spinach today because that's what I have on hand, but if you have got fresh baby spinach, that's even better. This is looking delicious. Just take a moment to admire this vibrant pumpkin soup. Now I do want to enhance the color a bit, so I'll add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Just a teeny tiny pinch. It will make the soup look even more golden and inviting without changing the flavor too much. Alright, just give it a quick stir so the color blends in evenly. Let it simmer and that is it. Look at this beauty. Just take a moment to appreciate the color. The spinach mixed in just perfect. I absolutely love how my pumpkin soup turned out. Now to make it look even better, I'm going to garnish it with some pumpkin seeds on top and a drizzle of heavy cream. Just grab a toothpick and make some random circles in the cream. It looks fancy, but it's super easy. And there you have it, a cozy creamy pumpkin soup that is ready to enjoy. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you love soups, check out my creamy mushroom soup in just 20 minutes. It is super comforting and even better than takeout. I'll leave the link right here. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!